What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to give you a quick 60-second tutorial, clock didn't start yet, on how to do your basic 16-hour fast. So for those of you that are new or that have questions on this, here's what you're going to do. Choose your fasting time. So if you decide that you're going to fast every day until noon, your last meal is at 8 o'clock at night. So you have a 16-hour fast each day. For a lot of that, you're sleeping. So don't sweat it. But this is the very basic, minimal amount of fasting I would do. So you choose your fasting time. Within that time, you eat twice. You do not need to graze throughout. That's what we're trying to get away from with the fasting. You don't need to eat every 20 minutes, every 2 hours. You eat twice within that fasting period if you're doing a 16-8. And lastly, you drink at least 2 servings of the juice. To reiterate and recap what the juice is, in every 32 to 40 ounces of water, it's a quarter to a half teaspoon of pink sea salt, low salt, which is basically your potassium chloride you can get at any grocery store, right next to the salt, and baking soda. So those 3 things. Choose your fasting time, 16 hours. Eat 2 times in that period. Drink servings of the juice throughout. There you go. If you have questions, post it below. If somebody's looking to start fasting that you know, please hit the share button, hit the like button if you like that. Peace.